right, good morning. It's 2:30 in the morning, and let's go ahead and get this day started. We're taking off from Vancouver, headed to Seattle for a delivery, and then back to Morton, which is about 100 miles south of that, along I-5. We're gonna get reloaded with some fence board and head back home. That's what our day is looking like today. Stay tuned. About 2.5 hours south of Seattle. However, I do tend to leave nice and early so that I can blow by past the traffic in Seattle and in Tacoma. Today I'm going to the port. I'm going to go ahead and get parked at the port, check in, and hit the bed for a couple hours for my 7 o'clock appointment. And that's usually how my day gets started out in Seattle. Boys, our 2 hours is up. It looks like the company opened up, and we're gonna have to go ahead and get out and get this load on strap. We had a strap over every single one of these units here, right? Because there's 2 on each side, 1 strap over, but the corner protector was pulled off on each side, and basically like this. Go ahead and store them right in this box here. All this crap. So we have divided the load evenly throughout the trailer, like so that there'd be even weight over each of these axles here, right? Pretty common sense. Slide the curtain towards the center. Everything's off. We go and check in. Get ready. Just checked in. Ready to get the shit off the truck. So that spot ahead looks like our spot of destination. Got a forklift driver there, waiting on this guy to pull through. I'll be going after him. Looks like we're getting there sooner than anticipated. Cool. Let's do this. If you guys haven't noticed yet, there's obviously 4 axles in the back of this trailer, and there's 4 in the front of the truck there. So usually when we're unloaded, these 2 axles come up, and you just end up cruising on these ones here when you're empty. Obviously depends on your weight and stuff like that, but that's also a drop axle, comes back up after you are empty. Yeah, pretty straightforward process here. Noticed it. Got the truck washed yesterday with the trailer. Look at that. Nice wash. No, I'm not going to recommend you guys. Happens every single time. Alright guys, it's time to get out of here. Got unstrapped. Pretty quick process. Took about 40 minutes with the unstrap. Guys took care of me pretty quick over here. They always usually do if you're here on time. But yeah, let's go ahead and make our way over to Morton, Washington, which is on exit 68 along I-5 again. Place in Morton usually takes a little while to get loaded out there, but they do load you fast as soon as they start loading your truck. So I'd be lucky to get a glimpse of me getting the load strapped down. We'll see how it goes out there. It's a good hour and a half drive from Seattle, so yeah, just buckle in, enjoy the ride. It's about 37 miles away from the I-5 itself, so it's kind of deep. It's a very small town. There's only a few mills that run that place, a few feed stores, stuff like that. Not much to it, but it's a beautiful drive out there. What you see ahead is a company that we're supposed to be getting loaded at. So there's two entrances here. Flatbeds are going ahead. A little further, that's where we're going. We'll be coming out of this exit here after we're done getting loaded. So entering into their yard here. We're gonna check in with somebody who's actually out here, probably a forklift driver or something. So I was right, just like I said. This first yard here is basically just nonsense. You end up having to get loaded at the other location right down the street here. So that's where we're going right now. All right. Pretty tight little spot here. There's a cliff right over there, and we just got to enter through here. Like I said, this place is pretty quick pace, so we're gonna see how much we can capture actually with getting loaded. Hope I can get some footage out here.
If I could turn the hourglass over, if I could set the clock back, it wouldn't change a thing, I know that. I know that. And when I look at the world around me, I see what might have been, but every deed has got a price tag. Now I know that. I wish I never met you in my weakest moment. You call me by name, you cut me wide open, you play me like a game, and this is what it's like living your life in regret. I wish I never, I wish I never, I wish I never met you. If I could write a letter in a bottle that could flow through space and time, I would tell myself a warning, I would tell myself a stop sign. I know he looks like some kind of savior, I know his hands feel like that kind, but you keep your wits about you. Don't let the way you feel cloud you.
Singing, get out here.
I wish I never met you in my weakest moment. You call me by name, you cut me wide open, you play me like a game. This is what it's like living your life in regret.
Nice and locked and loaded. We're good on the scales. It's time to go ahead and check out at the front desk and get out of here.
That could flow through space and time. I would tell myself a warning, I would tell myself a stop sign.
We're gonna park right here. Go check out at that little office right there. We're out of here. All right. Well, you could say that was a successful unload, reload trip. The guys were nice enough to let me film that. You'd be surprised how many places actually don't allow that. For privacy reasons, for safety reasons. But he was just telling me about how they had Dodge come by and they were doing a commercial with one of their trucks at their company. So I don't know. That was pretty cool. We are leaving this beautiful town. We will let it be. Look at those hills. Wow. Well, that was officially the end of today's video. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. I'll be posting a lot more of this stuff daily. Have a great day.